another video. We did some Black Friday shopping and we got some goods for, at least I got some goods for my car. We'll get into Justin's stuff later. But what we're gonna install today is a DND steering wheel and hub. So ideally I'd like to get the horn working, but I'm not sure if I've never done it. Neither has Justin, so we'll figure that out later. But at least we'll get the wheel installed first and then figure out what we need to get the horn working if we don't get it working today. So yeah, just follow along. It's in there. Sweet. Did you get that?
I didn't get you smashing your face.
You listen to the nut, you leave it kind of on there so that you can get it loose. Just pro tip. You don't put a steering wheel in your face. Okay, so there we go. The horn ground is right here, which is part of this ring. So I'm thinking that if we mash it the same way, there's only one wire, and that's the horn wire that's gonna go to the button, and that ring is what's on the adapter. So I hope that's how it works. We'll see. Okay, so what I see here is that right here is your contact for the back of this. That's the horn ground, and then you have the one signal wire which comes off there. So that's how the signal wire works. So just put this on here perfectly at 12. Like that. Put the nut back in. Kind of screwed up on this part where I should have mounted it first, and now I need to take this off, undo the nut, and then adjust it and put it straight, and at 12 o'clock put it back in again. Can you get me grabbing an extension? Yeah, sweet. Okay, 12 o'clock.
Alright, let's see. Can you see? So, what we found out is we don't need something. So Huey's taking it apart to take that out, but we did get the horn to work. Let's see if you can see it. But there's this little
ring that they included, right? Like, what is this ring for? So I'm not sure what it's for, but we know that we can still use the horn without it.
Yeah, so just taking that out. Now the horn should work. And then my neighbors can go back to sleep.
I'm just gonna leave it like that. Where's that horn button again? Thank you.
It's now.
Alright, flush. Yeah.
Looks like it.
Sweet.
Yay.
Okay. Let's put in 3 more screws and all good. And we've got to adjust my seating position and the telescopic thing. I'm surprised this car had telescopic steering wheel and the Forester doesn't. Like, I guess, well, this is a luxury car.
This is not the top tier of luxury.
Yeah, this is next level stuff, you know, even being that it's, you know, like a decade older.
Is it a decade? 17 years?
Decade and a half, if you want to say that.
16 years, sorry.
Oh, in our other video we couldn't do math, so our viewers can't expect much. Just do swaps. Stick to what we're good at.
Yeah.
Not math. Right. Let me adjust my seating position.
All the way up. Get your racing stance on.
Sweet. Let's forget. Never done this. Right there. Feels good. No wobbles. Double check the screws one more time. And one more time to annoy the neighbors. And we'll be good. And that's it. So, thanks for watching. We'll post more videos, and hopefully we'll do videos on Justin's Black Friday goods. Alright, Justin?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. See you guys later.